1. 1985 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price, $14,000, located, Belmar, New Jersey. This 1985 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a well-preserved example of one of the most recognizable American performance cars of the 1980s. Finished in a striking black exterior with a bold red interior, this Camaro delivers the classic muscle car appearance that enthusiasts continue to appreciate. The vehicle is equipped with an automatic transmission and has been driven only 300 miles since its latest setup, making it an appealing option for collectors and weekend drivers alike. The body presents nicely and retains the aggressive styling that made the Z28 a standout model during its era. According to the seller, the vehicle carries a clean title and has no significant damage or mechanical problems. The interior complements the exterior perfectly, creating a sporty and eye-catching combination that reflects the spirit of the original Camaro performance package. This Camaro has been carefully maintained and remains ready for cruising, local car events, or further customization. Opportunities to purchase a clean and attractive 1985 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 at this price point are becoming increasingly difficult to find. With its iconic styling, dependable drivetrain, and classic American character, this vehicle represents an excellent choice for anyone looking to own a genuine piece of Chevrolet performance history. 2. 1979 Ford Mustang Cobra. Price, $13,500, located, Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. This 1979 Ford Mustang Cobra has been purpose-built as a lightweight drag racing machine and offers impressive performance for enthusiasts seeking a competitive track car. Powered by a strong 6.2-liter LS engine featuring LS7 lifters, a BTR Stage 4 camshaft, ARP head studs, upgraded rod bolts, and a Moroso high-flow oil pump, this Mustang delivers more than 600 horsepower to the rear wheels. The drivetrain is backed by a professionally prepared Powerglide transmission with trans brake and a performance converter designed for methanol fuel applications. The vehicle features a tube front end, electric water pump, lightweight steering column, QA1 crossmember, lower control arms, adjustable suspension components, and aerospace front brakes. With a race weight of approximately 2,123 pounds including driver, this Mustang has recorded a best pass of 6.08 seconds at 114 miles per hour. The car rides on SVE wheels and includes numerous race-ready upgrades throughout. This Mustang represents an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a proven and highly competitive drag car with impressive performance potential and a strong history at the track. 3. 1986 Ford Mustang LX. Price, $19,000, located, Thomaston, Connecticut. This 1986 Ford Mustang LX is a clean and well-maintained Fox body that has been cherished for years and remains one of the finest examples available. Powered by the legendary 5.0-liter 302 V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, this Mustang delivers an engaging driving experience while retaining the classic character that enthusiasts love. The vehicle features a mild performance camshaft, Holley intake manifold, BBK headers, MSD ignition system, upgraded cooling components, and a full exhaust system. Finished in red with a matching red interior, the car presents exceptionally well from top to bottom. According to the seller, the body is completely rust-free and was originally a southern vehicle that has never been exposed to winter conditions or regular rain driving. Additional upgrades include coilover suspension, Corbeau seats, and racing harnesses, giving the car excellent handling characteristics and making it especially enjoyable on winding roads. With cold air conditioning, functional heating, a clean title, and excellent overall condition, this Mustang LX is an outstanding example of the highly desirable Fox body generation. 4. 1979 Chevrolet Monza. Price, $14,000, located, Kingston, New Hampshire. This 1979 Chevrolet Monza is a serious drag racing platform that has previously recorded consistent performances in the 9.30 to 9.40 second range. Built with racing in mind, the vehicle features fiberglass doors, bumpers, hood, and hatch to reduce weight while maintaining excellent structural integrity. The chassis weighs approximately 2,650 to 2,675 pounds with a small block engine and driver combination. The car is equipped with a reed case Powerglide transmission, performance converter, Viking front suspension, tubular control arms, strange rear components, anti-roll bar, ladder bars, Willwood rear brakes, and an 8.50 certified roll cage. Additional equipment includes a Mega 450 delay box, custom front exit headers, race-ready wiring, and quality safety equipment. Numerous supporting components such as the fuel system hardware, radiator, steering wheel, battery, and wheels are included with the sale. This Monza provides an excellent foundation for racers seeking a proven and lightweight platform. Whether used for bracket racing or no-prep competition, the vehicle offers outstanding potential and extensive racing upgrades throughout. 5. 1970 Opel GT Coupe. Price, $25,000, located, Pasadena, Maryland. This 1970 Opel GT Coupe is a unique and highly competitive drag racing vehicle that combines lightweight construction with impressive big block performance. Finished in its original rally orange color, the car retains its title and original VIN plate while offering a race-ready setup capable of delivering consistent results. The steel-bodied chassis weighs approximately 2,250 pounds without the driver and features Willwood brakes at all four corners for dependable stopping power. Power comes from a powerful 427 cubic inch engine with high compression internals and a custom ground comp camshaft. The combination is supported by an AED carburetor, power glide transmission, 9-inch rear axle, adjustable suspension system, and race-proven drivetrain components. The car has reportedly run consistent low 6-second 1/8 mile passes and includes an adjustable wheelie bar, fire suppression system, parachute, race harness, and numerous performance upgrades. With working lights, quality race equipment, and proven track performance, this Opel GT offers a rare opportunity to own a distinctive drag car that stands out from the crowd while delivering exceptional results on race day. 6. 1963 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova. Price, $25,000, located, Springwater, New York. This 1963 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova has been purpose-built for no-prep and drag racing competition while retaining a clean title and factory-inspired appearance. The vehicle previously operated as a complete race car and now provides an outstanding opportunity for a new owner to complete the final stages of the build according to personal preferences and performance goals. The chassis features a ladder bar suspension with wishbone setup, Mensa rear shocks, K-member conversion, long travel struts, and a strong 9-inch rear axle equipped with strange components and 4.11 gears. The factory firewall and floor structure remain in place, preserving much of the vehicle's original character. Included with the car are double beadlock wheels, drag slicks, front runners, fire suppression equipment, power glide transmission components, electric shifter, driveshaft, radiator, and big block Chevrolet turbo headers. Designed with racing performance in mind, this Nova offers an excellent foundation for competitors seeking a lightweight and capable drag racing platform. Once completed, it has the potential to become a highly competitive and eye-catching race vehicle. 7. 1990 Ford Mustang GT. Price, $12,500, located, Durham, Maine. This 1990 Ford Mustang GT is a well-built street and strip machine that combines reliable performance with classic Fox body styling. Finished in red with a clean gray interior, the car is powered by a freshly built 351 Windsor engine bored 30 over and producing strong performance through a carefully selected combination of premium components. The engine features DSS forged pistons, Edelbrock Victor Jr. heads, an E303 camshaft, crane roller rockers, and a high-performance fuel and cooling system. Power is delivered through a professionally built C4 automatic transmission equipped with a manual valve body and performance stall converter. Additional upgrades include a refreshed limited-slip rear axle, aluminum driveshaft, adjustable suspension components, tubular control arms, drag springs, and a new performance exhaust system. The vehicle also benefits from upgraded electrical and starting systems for dependable operation. The interior remains clean and comfortable with newer seating and updated components. Mechanically, the vehicle is reported to be in excellent condition and ready for immediate enjoyment. This Mustang GT offers an outstanding combination of performance, reliability, and classic American muscle car appeal. 8. 1975 Chevrolet Monza Pro Street. Price, $40,000, located, Stony Point, New York. This 1975 Chevrolet Monza Pro Street is a professionally constructed performance vehicle that combines show-quality presentation with serious street and strip capability. Powered by a strong 427 cubic inch Chevrolet engine producing approximately 525 horsepower, the car delivers impressive acceleration while maintaining exceptional drivability. A professionally rebuilt Doug Nash 5-speed transmission transfers power efficiently to a Chevrolet 12-bolt rear axle equipped with aggressive 4.56 gearing. The vehicle features a mini-tubbed rear section, 4-link suspension system, roll cage, racing harnesses, and numerous chassis upgrades designed to maximize traction and stability. The custom dashboard is fitted with odometer gauges that provide accurate monitoring of engine performance. Riding on weld wheels with newer tires, the car presents an aggressive stance that perfectly complements its performance-oriented design. This Monza received recognition in a national Chevrolet publication and is accompanied by extensive documentation, receipts, and dyno sheets. Built to a very high standard and maintained with care, this vehicle represents an exceptional opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a unique and powerful pro street machine. 9. 1956 Chevrolet 210. Price, $26,000, located, Newton, New Jersey. This 1956 Chevrolet 210 is a classic American hot rod that combines timeless styling with substantial high-performance upgrades. Finished in an attractive purple exterior over a black interior, the vehicle offers an eye-catching appearance that stands out at any cruise night or automotive event. Under the hood sits a powerful 383 cubic inch engine topped with a BDS 871 supercharger, creating an impressive combination of performance and visual appeal. The drivetrain includes a desirable Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission and a durable 12-bolt rear axle, providing a traditional muscle car driving experience. Additional enhancements include front disc brakes, raised front spindles, reinforced frame components, ladder bars, and a roll bar for improved strength and stability. The interior remains clean and comfortable while preserving the classic character that makes the 1956 Chevrolet such an iconic vehicle. According to the seller, the car runs, drives, and stops properly, making it ready for immediate enjoyment. This Chevrolet 210 is an outstanding blend of vintage style, supercharged performance, and classic American automotive heritage. 10. 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe. Price, $18,900, located, Walworth, New York. This 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe is a distinctive American sports car that has been enhanced with performance upgrades while retaining the iconic styling that made the third-generation Corvette famous. Finished in silver with a black interior, the vehicle presents an aggressive appearance that is further complemented by a supercharger system installed to increase power and driving excitement. The Corvette features Boyd Coddington wheels wrapped in newer tires, giving the car a modern stance while maintaining its classic appeal. Inside, Sparco racing seats and harnesses provide improved driver support and contribute to the vehicle's performance-oriented character. Custom gauges have also been installed, offering accurate monitoring of critical vehicle functions. The seller reports approximately 10,000 miles since the vehicle's major rebuild. While the paint could benefit from cosmetic attention, the overall package offers tremendous value for enthusiasts seeking a powerful and unique classic Corvette. With its blower-equipped engine, desirable Stingray styling, and extensive upgrades, this 1971 Corvette represents an exciting opportunity for collectors and performance-minded drivers alike. 11. 1974 Pontiac GTO Coupe. Price, $9,500, located, Williamstown, New Jersey. This 1974 Pontiac GTO Coupe has been purpose-built as a drag racing platform and offers an excellent opportunity for racers looking to complete a competitive track vehicle. Designed as a roller, the car is already equipped with many of the major components needed for a serious racing program. The chassis has been configured to accept either a big block or small block engine combination along with a Powerglide transmission, allowing the next owner flexibility when selecting a powertrain package. The vehicle features a newly installed 4-link rear suspension system paired with a Moser 9-inch rear axle equipped with 5.13 gears and 40-spline axles. Additional race-ready components include a fiberglass hood, lightweight fiberglass bumpers, fuel cell, dual battery setup provisions, Hurst shifter, and Denver racing equipment. The car rides on weld wheels fitted with large drag racing tires that provide an aggressive stance and excellent traction potential. Although the chassis certification will need updating, this Pontiac GTO represents an affordable entry into drag racing and provides a strong foundation for building a highly competitive race car. 12. 1980 Chevrolet Corvette Race Car. Price, $38,000, located, Bridgeport, Connecticut. This 1980 Chevrolet Corvette race car is a professionally constructed drag racing machine built around a high-quality chromoly chassis and designed to deliver exceptional performance on the track. The vehicle features a 7.50 certified chassis originally completed by a respected race car builder and incorporates numerous premium racing components throughout its construction. Power comes from a massive 477 cubic inch engine equipped with a blower-in fuel injection system running on methanol fuel. This combination is paired with a durable 3-speed Lenco transmission and a Dana 60 rear axle fitted with 4.11 gears, creating a drivetrain capable of handling substantial horsepower. The suspension system includes a strange strut front end and race-proven chassis components engineered for consistent launches and straight-line stability. The Corvette rides on Weld racing wheels with newer tires installed all around, ensuring excellent traction and appearance. According to the seller, the car performs consistently and tracks straight under power. Combining proven race car engineering, impressive performance capabilities, and iconic Corvette styling, this vehicle offers an outstanding opportunity for serious drag racing enthusiasts seeking a competitive and professionally built machine.